Connecting your Whoop charging cable is a straightforward process that requires attention to detail to ensure a secure and efficient charge. To begin, locate your Whoop charging cable and the charging port on your device. The charging port is usually located on the side or bottom of the Whoop strap. First, identify the correct orientation of the charging cable. The cable has a unique shape that fits into the charging port in one specific way. Make sure the flat side of the cable is facing upwards and the rounded side is facing downwards. This will ensure a proper connection and prevent any damage to the port or the cable. Next, gently insert the charging cable into the charging port. You may feel a slight click as the cable locks into place. If the cable does not fit easily, do not force it, as this can cause damage to the port or the cable. Instead, try rotating the cable slightly to ensure it is properly aligned. Once the cable is securely connected, plug the other end into a power source, such as a wall adapter or a computer. The Whoop device will begin to charge, and you will see a charging indicator on the device. It is recommended to charge your Whoop for at least 2 hours to ensure a full charge. To ensure the longevity of your Whoop charging cable, handle it with care and avoid bending or twisting it excessively. Also, keep the cable clean and dry to prevent any damage or corrosion. Regularly inspect the cable for any signs of wear or damage, and replace it if necessary. By following these simple steps and best practices, you can easily connect your Whoop charging cable and keep your device charged and ready for use. Remember to always handle the cable with care and follow proper charging procedures to ensure the longevity of your device and the charging cable.